So okay, YouTube, I have a 2006 Jeep Liberty. I'm more than sure that this will work for any Jeep Liberty. There was no crank and there was no start. I looked up in the internet and I couldn't find anything. But to change the module, everybody was saying change the MCM, the WMCM, I'm sorry. And I was about to go to the dealer and do that. Thank God I didn't. I also saw a post where somebody was saying maybe it's just the switch is broken inside. Check that before you do anything else. I came to the truck and I opened up the switch, and guess what, YouTube? This is the module right here. This is my key. I opened it up, and behind this switch, it's a shaft that turns around and goes into the actual ignition switch. This plastic right here, it's holding by one screw back here, so it's very easy to get to. And as soon as I opened that screw, something popped out, and guess what it was? This little piece was broken from the shaft right here where my finger is. This little piece was stuck in here, so my key would only go halfway. All my lights would go on and there was no crank. So now I just put a screwdriver in here, knowing that my key is in the ignition and the immobilizer ring is around. Sorry, but I can't do this with one hand. So here's the key, here's the immobilizer, here's the screwdriver right in that blocks, and voila, there you go. Everything's working, turns on, turns off. So all I need to do is go to a junkyard and buy this little piece. This little shaft is what breaks. So hope this helps to anybody that's having problems on turning on their car. Don't junk it, fix it.